Hi there. First of all, thank you very much for the great work. You did an amazing job, and I really appreciate it and look forward to working with you again. Just one question and one request that I have for you. So the question I have is, um, I still get these blue tags, which means there's something like that is not ideal, and the message is always that there's multiple tags. So you can see here there's two tags that are exactly the same for the global site tag and two tags of the Google Tag Manager. And what I was hoping is that you would be able to get all the things that I did out and then put yours instead of putting yours on top of mine, which seems to be what happened here. So that's the one question. Just want to see your opinion on this. And then the request would be, I see all those great tags that you did for Facebook and for Google Universal and G4. They're all there. They're amazing. Um, would you be able to, just so I know how to maximize them, to give me like on an Excel sheet a quick explanation of what each tag will where I can see the result of the tag being fired, on Facebook and on Google Analytics, and I'm happy to pay you more for that, just so I can start testing it and understanding, when it comes to the analysis part, where I will be able to see the different tags and where they're going to show, or even if it's simple, just a screen picture on the other end, so they understand the whole process. So that's it. Besides that, I mean, I'm extremely happy, as I mentioned, with everything, and I really appreciate your great work.